Hello, hello! Burning Weasel here, and as you can see, we're still on that monster train hype. As you can see, I have Stygian chosen as the main, and I have Hellhorned in the back right there. I was a bit unhappy with how the last round happened, and to avoid running into all those stings that I would quite honestly love to take, I'm just gonna toss that out the window and go Stygian and Hellhorned. So let's hop the train and be on our merry, merry way. Oh! They have decided to give us a bag of goodies. We got 2 Titans Gratitudes for starting. Hidden Passage, which is really strong because we can move a unit up. And Titan's Tooth, as if it gets discarded, we can effectively use it like a Madness card from Magic and deal 5 damage and apply Frostbite, which is the damage over time ability. Alright, so we got Daedalus, which is a boss that we haven't seen yet. He summons bombs, and as you can see, his special modifier is the explosives go kerboom twice. Arcus, which is the one that we've been seeing, he has his shards, which are self-explanatory. He either summons one or the other, and one applies daze to my units if I play a unit, or if, +1 energy to spells when I cast a spell. Then Seraph the Temperate, he basically just saps my characters. Saps my little goobers, which is perfectly fine, no problem. I think I'm leaning more towards spells right now, with the Titan's Gratitude and the Titan's Tooth. So, let's head on in. Pop in the Horde. I want to go with the Infused Mallet because it's extra damage. It's a 1 in 4 chance, but I've been known to be lucky. And how Episode 3 ended, I wasn't really happy with, so I want to go with the Handheld Totem. Simply because I want to stack that spell weakness. We do have the Titan's Tooth, we do have the Titan's Gratitude already. I would be a bit of a dum-dum if I chose to pass that up. I don't really want to deal with 10 armor, to be quite honest, so deck is feeling a little weak, but that's okay. Let's set me up on the 2nd floor. Frozen Lance, and a torch. So that when he passes, I'm gonna drop a Train Steward. Gonna burn him. Let's go down for another Train Steward. Pass the turn. We're gonna torch. Titan's Gratitude, and then a Titan's Gratitude. Oh, as you saw, that was the hammer triggering and smashing our first little goober. Nah, that'd just be a waste. Frozen Lance, torch him up, and Gratitude, hopefully hitting the weight of Contrition. And we did! Fantastic! He's got some spell weakness, which isn't really helpful right now. Gonna avoid damage, gonna burn him, and gonna be taking some damage. That's okay, though. Never say die. Ooh. Little mollusk mage. Helical Crystallis is also very powerful. Energy Siphon. We need more heavy-hitting spells. Okay, we got Molting Imp, which is some AoE right there. Which is perfectly fine. Alright, alright, alright. We got spells. We got spells in blue, spells in red, spells in purple. Ooh. Putting this onto a Titan's Gratitude. Do we have anything that consumes? Does not look like it, so I'm a hazard a reroll. Holdover would have been amazing, but that's okay. We're gonna turn that one into a heavy hitter, and we are going to also drop the Helical Crystallis down 1 energy to make it more playable, and then pass. Hellhorned. Oh. Oh. How many imps do I have? Got 1. I got 1. Honestly, I think I can make this work. He is the biggest of the big. He is the chonkiest of the chonk. And excuse my terminology, but he is, as others would call, the Thicky McLarge Huge. So let's go with Captain Chonky. Maybe my downfall, but fire away. Non-boss enemy units get +4. For the imps. For the imps. Let's go. We're gonna drop him up here. We're gonna burn you, and gonna drop down an imp. Drop the steward. It's too early to get rid of the gratitude, so. Alright, that solves that problem. That solves that problem. Alright, alright. We're gonna burn the healer. Drop him down. Hit the boss. Alright. There is Mr. Chonky right there, but we cannot play him, as you can see. We're going to drop another train steward down. We're going to toss a torch and a frozen lance and pass the turn. We lose Tethys, but he stacks up the spell weakness. So 3 times damage. So this is pretty much... That's death for him. Oh, nope. Let's go back up. 75, 75. Alright, Stygian. We can get a 3rd Titan's Gratitude. We can get a Crypt Builder, which is useful for the discard. I want to go Offering Token, because it's a draw and discard, and I can trigger the offering that way. Well, there's another imp! We got another imp, buddy! But these I am okay with passing. Alright, I can duplicate any card. I got the Hellhorned, which could be another imp. Or a random artifact and health. Let's go with duplication. We're going to Actually, gonna check the... Yep. No imp. But I'm gonna skip. But that's okay. Right now, if I have the 2 imps out, he will be 4 mana. Or energy. You know what? Actually, let's hold on for a sec. Let's check what's in the caverns first. Oh! 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 This is good, because we can get rail spikes, which is deal 10 damage times the amount of energy that we spend. And if we kill something, we can add a permanent copy of this to the discard pile. Well, that's a good one. But the Raildriver is super useful too. I kind of want to go Rail Spike. But at the same time, the Spike Driver colony... You know what, let's check the map real quick. Okay, so we're right here. The steel can be very useful. We could upgrade the spike. A spike could honestly be what we need as a just-in-case kind of moment. But the driver... I'm gonna go driver. I may not use it this time around, but if I can get something good in that Merchant of Steel, that will set us up so amazingly well. I'm gonna duplicate the consume. And we got Daedalus. Alright. Okie dokie. Alright. So, Lance. Pass the turn. We're gonna drop the little welder helper right down. Got one spell weak. Ooh. Gonna burn that. Titan's Gratitude to drop him down to 95 health right there. Alright, pass the turn. More damage to the pyre, but that's okay. I'm gonna burn that. Drop down him. Helical Crystallis. Alright, that's the battle. I took some damage, which is fine. I don't really want any of these. Impalate could be fun, simply because I want a third imp for the Consumer of Crowns. I'm not really running Frostbite, and this has to be on the top level. But it is a powerhouse of a spell. So I'm going to take that. Maybe a bad idea. I'm gonna skip. I would like the Demon Fiend, but that's okay, we don't need him. Extra energy, though. Energy would be useful in a spell-slinging deck. Well, let's see what we can do to the Raildriver. Oh. There's multi-strike. I'm gonna risk it and go for a reroll. Don't have anything that could really be of use for the rage. But this is a permanent, essentially 11 times 3. What else do I have? Let's give them a flat buff. May not be a good idea, but let's give him quick. Get healed up. Let's remove the train stewards. Upgrade the goober. Handheld totem 2. And be on my way. Alright. Non-boss enemy use restore all health. No. I don't care for that. Alright. Oh. They took a couple hits right there. I'll drop Tethys right there. Could use this to kill him right away, but that's okay, I don't need that. I will use that, though. Place him in front. He is dead. I'd rather use that to kill him. You're the haster. Let's punt you up. Drop you to kill him. Spike drivers. Burn. Alright. Spike driver is dead. There's one in the graveyard. Ooh, okay, so offering token, and then we're gonna toss that. Frozen Lance. Gratitude, and pass the turn. Our Pyre is just getting the ever-living heck beaten out of him, but Yep, that's death. 225 times 2. Okay. Armor stone, that is very useful. Oh, and that's imp number 3! But we don't really have... Oh, actually, we do have a couple consumes. The Titan's Gratitude. I was about to say something silly. We can dupe, heal, and coins. Let's get rid of the train stewards. Pop this open, see what's inside. Honestly, let's go honest. It's a bit of money. 4 times that. That's a fair amount. Multi-strike on the Consumer of Crowns. Heartstone onto the Guardian Stone, because he may end up being in front. Non-boss enemy units get multi-strike. I don't like that. I don't. It's not good for this deck. 2 died. But you know what? We're going to be dropping down Imp to kill them both. Setting Tethys up right there. A little cheeky, but we're going to. What did I discard? Oh, the Pyrebound. Okay. So our care right there. Gonna torch. Gonna pull Titan's Gratitude back, and we're gonna shoot him in the face. Pass the turn. We got the little welder helper buddy, which is going to be his death. So let's do that, do that. The Gifted Gratitude is right there, and I know I don't really want to use it just yet. Okay, where are you? Oh, I didn't cycle through the deck yet. Okay, so gonna have the spike, gonna draw to toss a card. Titan's Gratitude. I know it's wasting spells, but I'm cycling through. There we go. We got the Consumer of Crowns. He is out and ready to play. We're doing that. We're giving some freeze. Giving him some stacks. Stacks? No. Oh, but he's got Life Steal. Alright. Torchin. Frozen Lance, and that is the death of the boss. Consumer of Crowns is a chonky boy. don't feel like I need any of these. It is a bit of a cheeky play with the Titan's gratitude. Yes. Yes. So now they're 31 attack, and they hit 3 times each, which is pretty much all I need. That's all I want. Okay, so do I need to upgrade any critters? No, it does not look like it. So let's go this way. I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna pop open the concealed caverns, peek my head on in, seeing what's up. Ooh. Oh. I have no healing. I have no healing, and that would really help. Okay. Well, technically, the healing that I do have is the armor. I'm gonna take that totem fragment, because that could help. That could really help, actually. Alright. I know, Arcus. You got your garbage ass shard right there. Oop. I said a word. No one heard that. I'm gonna plop down the spike driver right there. I'm gonna plop down my Guardian Stone. Second spike driver. Gonna draw one and discard one. Discard that. And as good as ever, I'm gonna use my... Alright. Okay. Do not play creatures. Do not play creatures. Do not play creatures on that floor. Okay, that's the spells. Alright, pass the turn. That's the non-critter. Ooh. All right. Okay. No spells. No spells, but that's perfectly fine. We're gonna drop down a spike driver. Okay, I got Titan's Gratitude in the remove from zone. Alright, there's my gratitude. Alright. Ah, that's a bummer. those die, so let's drag that one up. Pass the turn. This is the rally, so no critters. He won't fit up there, which is a bummer. Alright, that's a pass turn. That's a bummer. Ooh, close to death. Little bit of a cheeky kill. I know I could have let the the Raildriver colonies just eat into him, but I kinda just, I wanted to punch him in the head with a spell. Deep Offering would be great if I had more of the offering spells, but that's okay. I can use the draw. The draw is very useful for me. Alright, alright. So we are looking at Merchant of Magic, Merchant of Steel, with the removal, Concealed Caverns, Forgotten Boons. Do I have anything I would like to upgrade? I could upgrade him with more health, which would be very useful. I can definitely use removal. Yeah. This side. Oh. I can't heal. But that doesn't matter when I have so much armor they can't get through. Do I want to put quick on anything? Can I put quick on anything? No. So let's hazard a reroll. No, that was not worth it. So let's remove and toss out some torches. Check out the Concealed Caverns. What you got for me? Oh, the spikes. Hellhorned is Rage and Armor. Awoken is Draw and reduce the cost. Stygian is Sap and Frostbite. I feel like I need more draw. I may be overdoing it at this point, but I gotta. All right, so gonna remove some cards. Get some of them frozen lances out there. That was like a kind of awkward southern accent right there. I'm going Spell Weakness 3 simply because one hit is 3 stacks. One hit is 3 stacks. That can cause a serious amount of damage if I get the right card in hand. I think I can do it. I think I could do this one. Alright, bring it, Birdman. Okay. We have it under control already, and we have just way too many little spike drivers. And as you can see up there, we got Umbra. We got the Umbra, guys. My goodness, I cannot wait. We're going to summon that. We're going to drop a Titan's Gratitude. Gonna summon another. Put the Titan's Gratitude back into the deck. I'm not going to cast it right now because that'd just be a waste. Nothing in the deck. So we got 2 imps. What are the chances that I will pull the Consumer of Crowns out of 11 cards? This will draw 4. It's one that I don't really like, to be honest. But hey, we got that fixed, so... Huh, okay. Oh! Oh, dang it. But of course, I don't have any imps. That's a bummer. That is a bummer. That's okay. I saved the little imps, so the imps are okay. Burn him. That's a bummer. Let's toss you up. Alright, that is okay. Oh, no, he is just a bit too chonky right now. Drop him, but we can drop him up there. One and 4 Titan's Tooth go. Oh, let's go. Come on. Okay, so he has 11 stacks of spell weakness. So whatever I hit him with is times 12. So with magic, I'm gonna make his health disappear. 1080. 1080 damage and nothing hit the pyre. And as you can see, like I said, we got the Umbra. And Umbra, quite honestly, is my favorite clan. They do some seriously weird stuff with things called morsels, but we'll get into that later. I don't really want to take any of those. Alright. I like the Alloy of the Ancients because it's an easy 25 armor that I can drop on anything, and it's no longer in the deck. It muddles up my consumed pile, but quite honestly, that's perfectly fine. Alright, so what's in the deck? We have Imps. Imps and the Consumer of Crowns. Ideally, the final battle, if I can get a Consumer Crowns onto, like, the top floor and hide a couple Spike Drivers behind it, that would be a 1-2-30 punch that could win without a problem. Which is honestly fantastic. I got more spells that need more help, so I'm going to come over this way. I'm going to snag them boons. I'm going to dupe a card. Actually, let's go the magic first. No. 10 magic power. I'm upgrading the gratitude. I know I really shouldn't, but I really, really wanna, because it's fun. Dropping that down to 0 so I can cast it without having to use energy. 1 second. Sorry about that. Had a cough. No, I'm not sick. Just not used to talking so much. And there is the third gratitude. It's a free spell. Why not? Gonna come on in here. We can duplicate this one. We can dupe him. Or rather it. We can duplicate a Spike Driver. Or a Titan's Gratitude. Swinging them big spells. You know what? Yeah, let's swing them big spells. Summon abilities trigger an additional time. That would be the Impish, Imp, Molting Imp, and the Welder Helper. Don't think I really need these summoning triggers. That would have been useful. Let's go with the Hammer Chest Plates because it's extra health. The Queen's Tail because it's an extra energy and a draw when I play an Imp. So my first Imp per round is free pretty much. But I want to go with Forgotten Name because it's extra spell power. Extra spell power for all of my spells for the rest of the battle. Sap is fine. I can deal with Sap, I believe. I hope. Alright. So... get some extra cheeky damage. That's a bummer. I'll save the molting him. Move him up, have him die to the spike driver. Ah, it's a bummer. I lost my tank. That's a bummer. I lost the totem too early. I was not paying attention to that. But I can't even put him there. Damn. So I can put him here. I'm going to drop my little imp buddy. I'm going to save that. Empire's going to be taking damage, but I feel as if this is starting to get away from me. Okay, so what's in my deck? What's in my deck? Frozen Lance, Ice Empire. No, that was useless. Absolutely useless. I lost my consumer of crowns. I should have been paying more attention. Damn. Yep, that is a another loss. Damn. Well, okay. It might not be. I can move him up. got spell weakness on him. I can hit him with the pyre. He takes no damage whatsoever. Really? Oh. So he gets 2 spell weakness. Yeah. It's so frustrating. I need to not do 3 floors. 3 floors is my downfall. I need to focus on 2 or more. No, 2 or less. And I should be okay. I did unlock the secondary champion for the Hellhorned, which is quite fantastic, but I'm kind of tired of Hellhorned right now. Alright. That has been an unsuccessful run in Monster Train, but that's perfectly fine. We unlocked the Umbra. We unlocked the Queen. And as always, this is Burnin' Weasel. This was Monster Train. Y'all have a fantastic night and be safe out there.